Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Changed my ceramic Cerakeys keycaps on my beautiful RKS98. I just got these keycaps and I'm obsessed. They're currently on Mirandi switches. Here's the before sound test. Now, I do like the Mirandi switches, but I heard the Rosewoods were a much deeper, creamier sound, and that's what we're going for. So let's get into it. I was extremely careful when removing these $144 keycaps. They are so beautiful. Trying to get this damn switch puller to work. I'm singing Wicked. One thing I didn't really think about was the color profile of these switches. Here is the after sound test. It truly sounds like a dream. So now my new problem is I love the way they sound, but I hate the way they look. When the board had the Mirandi switches, it was a perfect white and blue. Also, the caps are a bit unstable. I know ceramic caps are much heavier, so I'm taking that into account. These are the V2 Cerakeys, so they do have the reinforced stem. I feel like I need switches that are white or clear for aesthetics, and then also they need a higher actuation force to actually handle the weight of these keycaps. If you have any recommendations, please put them in the comments. Right now I'm looking at the Rock Ice King linear switches. Let me know if you've tried them out.